All right, this is gonna be a fun project. Friend gave me this thing. It was an old, he ran across it somewhere. It's an old satellite dish controller for these large commercial satellite dish that you see like at the head end or something. And it's got the ability to really crank out a lot of torque. But the main thing was it was an elevation elevation dish controller, 0 to 180 degrees. That was it. So it would tilt the dish that way. It was not designed to do anything else. However, it does have 24 volt AC output to rotate the motor, which is the same as my azimuth controller that I use on, to rotate Yagis and things. So my box on my antenna rotor is an old analog thing. This has the ability to unlock and lock a brake, and my rotator does not have a brake, so it don't matter. But it could energize the brake on like a ham 4. That's a spring-loaded left and right rotation switch. That's cool. What I found was it was originally designed to operate with a 1,000 ohm pot feedback from the elevation rotor. So I put a fake. I'm just faking it out here. I found out that I can overrun the, there was a pair of adjustments in the back. I was able to overrun the travel quite a bit from about minus 90 to plus about 600 degrees. I could really drive it way beyond its original design parameters. So I got this little pot on here to fake it out. So I think I can, I'm going to have to, I got a trim pot here to set one of the ranges. I'm going to have to get a little funny with some calibration pots. I'll drill holes and mount those out the back. I've got another rotator control in another room I can use to set this thing up. But I do now have it traveling from 0 to about 360. I can dial it in a little bit. It's just close enough, for test purposes. So if you look at the slit in the end of that shaft, goes from there to there. So if I simulate about half rotation, that's about right. Look, so it's pretty close. It's not, I don't think linearity is going to be off much, and there are some linearity adjustments on the back side of the board there. So I think I can make this work. I think I can, I looked the internet over. I couldn't find any information on how to convert this for what I'm wanting to do. I just painted the case. I think I'm gonna sand the face is in pretty good shape. I'm gonna have to make a new overlay. I'll get Debbie on her Cricut machine to make a new overlay for this that shows 360. Anyway, I'm gonna pick up some aluminum matte spray. I'm gonna sand this a little, rough it up. It's plastic. I'm gonna spray that to freshen that up. The face part will be okay. And then in here, I beat the dents out of this thing and sanded and painted it with a hammered finish today. So I think that's going to look okay. I believe it's not going to be bad. It'll be a little unique,